Mm. Import SQLite 3 and second connection equal to SQLite 3 dot connect. So this is the file which will be passing as a parameter music dot SQLite. So it is a database. So your music is a database to which I will be working. And next cursor equal to connection dot cursor. As I told you, like this cursor is a interface. Okay, which will be acting as like interface to connect with your things. Then cursor dot execute drop table if it exits tracks. And if this table exists in this music database, it has to be dropped. Else create table tracks with two fields. One is title and the other one is place. Title should be as text and place should be as integer. Now close the connection and let's execute this. Run run module. Okay, you can say nothing. You will not get anything on the screen. What I'm doing is I'm just getting you this. Just give me time. I'm just creating a table. I'm not displaying it, so I will not be getting anything on the screen. And second example, let us get into db.py. And here import SQLite 3. So connection equal to SQLite 3 dot connect. And here I'm passing this database file. And now cursor equal to connection dot cursor and cursor dot execute create table cur dot execute create table. And to this table, I'm inserting the value insert into tracks, title, place, and values I've given question mark. And for this place, I will be passing thunderstruck and 20. And second, similarly, I'm pausing my way and 15 and committing it. I'm going to print my table tracks. Okay. Now I'm going to print my table tracks here. And then cursor dot execute. Select title, place from title. And now I use for loop to print my values from my table. At last execute and commit. If I compile this, it is showing already exist. So what I can do is I can modify this table or I can have this. So as early as in the last program, I have created a table. Now I will be trying to insert a value. I will not be trying to create a table. Now you can see my table is created with the table name called tracks. It is having two values. One is title, second one is place. So title is thunderstruck and place is 20. And second title is my way and place is 15. Okay, so this is a simple example for creating a database application in Python and how to insert a value into that particular database table with the help of Python. And next, let us have one more example to this. Okay, I told you like will be discussing about one more example called turtle. And this is one most interesting thing with Python. And it is the inbuilt graphic library package which supports in Python. To do this, first I will be importing my turtle, import turtle. Second, I will be creating a screen area where my turtle will be drawing an area. For example, if you treat this should be your screen area where you want to draw it, this can be passed as a screen area. If you need any specific part as a screen, that can be taken as a turtle screen. Next, and for that screen, for that like if you get a small window, if you need any name to that particular window, then you can have a title. Then you can set background color, and this is where easy that I create but I'm creating a title and I'm assigning a shape for this title. And there are different shapes. You can go for the you can go for some other shapes. Okay, and next turtle size. And moving forward, I'm asking the turtle to move forward 100 steps and turn left 120 degree and again move forward 100 steps, turn left 120 degree and again forward 100 steps, turn left 120 degree and main loop close. Else if I'm not doing this, it will wait for the user to close the window. Okay, so what this is doing is it is trying to draw a triangle, and let's see the result. Okay, so this is the turtle shape I'm giving as turtle, and for this turtle shape either you can enlarge this shape or you can decrease the shape. And the background color it is yellow, and it is moving 100 steps and turn 120, and again move 100 steps, turn 120, so that I can get a triangle. And this is the window, or this is the screen area, and for this window I can name it as like a triangle. Okay, and for this shape you want to change it, you can change this shape from turtle to just an arrow or to some other thing that works. And let me take one more example. Let us take a simple example. And with this here I use loops, and here is pen sizes, like how much thickness you want the turtle to draw when it is moving, that can be specified as pen size. So forward can also be written as FORWARD, or it can be written in short FD. So left and right. So let me compile this. Okay, this is how you will be getting a star. And see, I'm not given the window name, so I'm getting it as Python Turtle graphics. If I pass the window name, then this will be a little bit different. I can get the window name on top of it, and I will show you two more examples. See here, pen up. What this will be doing is, if you write pen up once when it is moving in a line, it will not draw. It will not show you a line when it is moving. For this, I'm using a pen up, and this will be knowing. You will be knowing these things about loop statements. I'll be telling you about those things. Okay, first what I have done is I used pen up. Pen up means when it is earlier when the turtle was moving, you're able to see the turtle line, but here you will not be able to see the turtle line. I'll just compare this with the program. Okay, so background pink, turtle dot screen. There's a turtle dot screen. I have not given the window name. So shape turtle, I got the shape turtle. Color blue. I need the turtle color to be blue. If you want, you can change the turtle color. So what this pin up is doing is, this easy is the turtle name of the turtle. What the pin up is doing, well, this is moving. This will not draw a line when it is moving. And see, for range 30, I can see 29 turtles over here, 0 to 29. So stamp, what this is doing, it leaves the footprint when it is moving. When it is moving from here to here, it leaves the footprint, that is stamp. Size equal to size plus 3. When it is initially started, I need to make it little bit bigger. Okay, so easy dot right 24. If you change this value, you can see the turtle will be a little bit different. Just try this examples. You'll be learning about few more things. And let me take one more example. This we already done. Shape triangle, task 1. Okay, okay, so this is about turtle. You try and practice type programming programs on your own. And if you have any queries, just get me back.